Now, if you are the same gender, let's say you're a woman and you have an older sister or a younger sister, you have to call them tuakana if they're your older sister, or teina if they're younger. Likewise with men, boys, if you have an older brother, then he is your tuakana, and if you have a younger brother, they are your teina. So tuakana and teina are older. Tuakana is older sibling of the same gender, and teina is youngest sibling of the same gender. So just remember that. Some people sort of get mixed up because you can't call, if you're a male, for example, you can't say, this is my tungane, this is my brother, because tungane is the brother of a female. Likewise, if you're a woman, you can't say, this is my tuahine, my sister, because you're the same gender. Like the tuahine is the sister of a male. So it's kind of tricky with that tuahine tungane. You have to say they are tuakana if you're the same gender, or a teina, or older sibling, or a younger sibling. Ka pai.